your girl like did her thing with this wig. Okay, okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shiana. If you are new here on this channel, I do all types of beauty videos, hair, makeup, fashion, all of the above. So if you are interested in all that, then go ahead and subscribe, join the fam. I would love to have you. So for today's video, I'm showing you how I styled this wig and how I installed it. If you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna be styling my wig. I try to kind of like put this in a half up, half down. I wanted to cut this originally, but I haven't put this wig on since my birthday, which was September of last year, which has been a while. So I kind of wanted to bring her back out, just to kind of show her some love or whatnot, because she's actually one of my favorites, because she's like sky blue, and since it's springtime, I was like, why not? I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. I just kind of wanted to show y'all like how I kind of like apply my wigs for like temporary use. I think I already have a video out on like how I wear them. Maybe I don't actually, because I don't really like to wear frontal wigs because I have such a freaking small forehead, but I make it work. So I guess this video can be for other girls with smaller foreheads to actually watch. So I'm gonna clip the bangs and stuff out of the way, and then go ahead and put this on so you guys can watch me do that. So the wig is on. I'm just kind of seeing how it fits and where it lays and just making sure it's even on both sides. Okay. I'm going to clip this up just out of the way temporarily. I need to get my blow dryer. Okay, I got my blow dryer. I'm gonna be using my freeze spray because this is a temporary use style is what we're doing here today. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like spray my skin, and then blow dry it so it can get a little tacky. It's kind of self-explanatory, and I probably should have washed this out, because from the last time it kind of got a little gunky. Oh well, don't judge me. wait a second. I need to wipe my skin off. I don't know why I didn't do that. For removal of like makeup and oils, I just used witch hazel, but alcohol or hydrogen peroxide works too as well. All right, so now I'm taking my freeze spray and I'm working in sections. So I just kind of spray the side and I work the hairspray in with my fingers. As you can see, with me having a smaller forehead, it's gonna be on my hairline. I just make sure that the lace isn't laying directly on my hair so it doesn't pull or cause like any breakage on my edges. So once that hairspray is tacky, I just kind of press it down with my rat tail comb and just make sure it's really secure, right at the front. Also, when I cut this wig, I made it to where it was literally cut exactly like my natural hairline, because with me having a smaller forehead, I can't just pull it over my hairline. I have to lay it directly on my hairline so that way it looks as natural as possible, which is why you can kind of see my baby hairs in the corners are out, but normally I would have just laid baby hairs down to cover that up so it wouldn't be seen. But as you can tell, like it's literally laying just like how my natural hairline is, because that's how it's going to be undetectable with having a smaller forehead. Also, another tip, I did go ahead with castor oil and edge control before I put this hairspray in my hair, so my hairline was protected and I didn't just go in with hairspray and like trying to pull my edges up. Like, we don't have time for that. We need to save our hair. So when I made this wig, I already went ahead and cut the bangs. So when I was hairspraying my hairline, they did get a little crunchy, so I decided to take mousse on my comb, and I just comb it through to kind of soften the hair up so it's not crunchy anymore and it lays flat. I don't even think I made a tutorial on how I cut these bangs. I think I made a tutorial on how to color watercolor wigs, but I think that was it. That was all I did. And it was a pink one. I did the pink one twice. So now I'm just kind of like trying to get this in order. I need to spray some. Got to be free spray. Now for this part, I just take a section right behind the ponytail, just a small section, just enough so I can use it to cover up my ponytail holder. And I spray it with my free spray just to kind of make sure it's super slick and smooth. And I just wrap it around that ponytail. Okay, I need to go get my flat iron, and I'm probably going to straighten my bangs real quick. One thing I did notice about this hair, with it being watercolored, or also because it's semi-permanent color, with heat going directly on it, it kind of makes the color fade. So be mindful of that if you do have a watercolored wig, or if you have a semi-permanent colored wig. So keep your heat settings on low, or you will have to color it again. Now I'm just taking my foundation powder. It's actually slightly darker than my actual foundation. Right now it's my summer powder, and I just put that in my lace. I know I need to color this wig because my bangs are faded already, and so is some of the pieces of my hair, but for the time being I can't because the hair stores are closed. So here you're just seeing me flat iron curl my hair. Some people know how to do this, some people don't, so I kind of show how to do this a couple of times so you can kind of see how it's done. Basically, you're just taking it at the top and you're curling it whichever direction you choose. I decide to curl backwards to give more volume and face framing. But basically what you do is you wrap the hair around like you're using a curling iron, but you're also turning the flat iron at the same time, until you wrap all of the hair in through the flat iron, and then you kind of hold it on the end for about a few seconds, and then you let it go, and you should have a curl. Also, I forgot to mention that this hair is from Miss Lula hair. It's their 613 150 density wig. Now, with me doing this tutorial, this hair is on the thinner side. With it being a 150 density, I don't think it's fully at 150. But I do make it work with me curling it. I would not wear this hair straight. Okay, so I've already finished one side of my hair. Now I'm about to do the ponytail and then the other side of my hair. So this is my hair all finished curled. I do brush my curls out. You don't have to necessarily if you don't want to, but I prefer more volume, so I do brush them out. I like big hair, so. After recording, I did notice that my ear tabs was lifted up, so after I got off camera, I did go in and fix that. But this is the finished style. I hope you guys like this. As you can tell, I was definitely feeling myself with this blue hair. So I'm just kind of giving you a 360 view. That's the side. This is the back and the other side. So, I mean, it is fuller, but it has to be full with curls. Like, I cannot just wear this by itself straight because it just looks really thin. your girl like did her thing with this wig. Okay, okay. Period. I do love the hair in its entirety. It's really nice, super soft. It does shed like 613 does. But I will have the link in the description box below where I purchased it. But that is all for this video, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this like mini tutorial on me styling my hair. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.